Welcome to this Django crash course. In the next few minutes, you'll get a solid understanding of Django, one of the most powerful and popular web frameworks in Python. So what is Django? Django is a high-level Python framework used to build secure, scalable web applications quickly. It comes with everything you need to build a complete website right out of the box. Major websites like Instagram and Pinterest rely on Django. Let's start by installing Django. Just type pip install Django in your terminal. Then use django-admin start project mysite to create your first project. Run the server with python manage.py run server and open your browser to see your new Django site live. Next, let's look at the project structure. Every Django project contains a manage.py file, settings for configurations, URLs for routing, and WSGI or ASGI for deployment. You also divide your project into reusable apps in views. You define what happens when a user visits a page. For example, a simple view can return "Welcome to Django," and you link it using URLs in urls.py. This makes routing clean and organized. Django also uses templates to render HTML with dynamic data. You can pass variables from your view directly into your HTML file. This makes it easy to build responsive user interfaces. And don't forget static files like CSS and JavaScript. They go in the static folder and are served automatically by Django. Finally, Django's ORM lets you define your database models using Python classes. You run migrations to update the database. And the built-in admin panel gives you a full dashboard to manage your app without writing extra code. With Django, you write less code and build more, faster. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with Django.